Welcome to our Silent Unity service for May 2026. Let's take a few moments to get settled into our chairs, into our space where we are. Bringing our awareness down deep into our heart center, relaxing, opening and connecting with the divine within us, around us, through us, and as us. We dedicate this time to all those whom we hold in prayer, including our greater world family. As we enter this time of prayer, we become aware of the order moving quietly through all of life. Nothing is random. Nothing is misplaced. Divine intelligence is active now, shaping rhythm, balance, and right relationship in every moment. We rest our attention in this awareness, trusting the wisdom that sustains and guides all creation, including our own unfolding life and the lives of all those whom we hold in prayer. And thus, aligned with divine order, we can rest in divine peace. For peace is present as the underlying condition of our being. As awareness settles, thought becomes calm and receptive. We are not striving for peace or attempting to maintain peace. Simply, we recognize peace as the natural state that emerges when we align with divine order. This peace steadies our emotions, clarifies our thinking, and supports our responses. We remain secure and composed, anchored in the peace that God establishes within us now. As we continue in prayer, we are open to divine understanding moving through our awareness with clarity and precision. Insight arises naturally as we remain open and attentive. We listen inwardly and allow wisdom to inform our perception. Questions soften as understanding takes shape. We trust the intelligence that guides our thinking and illuminates our way forward. In this awareness, decisions become clear and directions unfold with ease. Spiritual stability expresses as inner coherence and confidence. We remain centered even as circumstances change, grounded in the truth of our oneness with God. Temporary appearances do not define our nature or limit our potential. We respond thoughtfully and wisely, supported by an inner steadiness that does not waver. Divine order informs our actions and sustains our progress. As we continue in prayer, we acknowledge the flow of good and affirm good moves freely through our experience as opportunity, provision, and support. We recognize divine substance present and active in meaningful ways. Gratitude deepens our awareness of this flow, and trust allows it to continue unhindered. We participate willingly in the circulation of good, knowing that generosity and receptivity move together in harmony. Life meets our openness with abundance and care. Expressing gratitude through living becomes a way of living rather than a passing feeling. It shapes how we speak, how we choose, and how we engage with others. Appreciation opens our awareness to the richness of each moment and strengthens our connection to divine order. Through grateful living, we align more fully with the good that is always present. As this time of prayer gently completes itself, awareness remains active and assured. What has been recognized here continues to guide our thinking and choices. Peace remains steady. Understanding stays clear. Divine order continues to shape each step forward. Gratitude supports our living, and trust steadies our way. We move forward, aligned with truth, attentive to the wisdom that unfolds, moment by moment. Together we affirm Unity's prayer for protection. The light of God surrounds us. The love of God enfolds us. The power of God protects us. The presence of God watches over us. Wherever we are, God is. And so it is. Amen. Bless you and thank you for sharing in this time today.